Meet Frost Fury, a 1650 horsepower powerhouse inspired by the majesty of the Arctic. Equipped with a state-of-the-art cryo engine, it generates unstoppable torque even on the iciest terrains. Creator Derek, an Arctic researcher captivated by the beauty of glaciers, poured his passion for icy landscapes into crafting this masterpiece. The vehicle features an exquisite frost-themed exterior, coupled with anti-slip technology adapted from Arctic exploration tools, ensuring stability and control in extreme conditions. Derek shares the intense challenges faced, like integrating thermal regulation systems, showcasing his determination to push the boundaries of automotive innovation. Through meticulous design and engineering, Frost Fury stands as a testament to the fusion of natural inspiration and cutting-edge technology, creating a chillingly powerful driving experience.